Welcome back. We're going to finish up this lecture by talking about stress relief and hopefully keeping you under stressed or not too stressed during your year of PTA school. So the first thing I want to talk about is eating a balanced diet. That's keeping those fatty and sugary foods, so your junk food, your snacks, your pop, your energy drinks, all of those, keeping those under wrap and in proportion to the fruits and veggies, the dairy you eat, the meat you eat, and also keeping those carbs in check, making sure you're giving your body enough of everything and not too much of one thing, will really help your stress levels and keep you at an even constant versus a pendulum swing from one end to the other. Exercising helps immensely. It produces endorphins and improves sleep. So we talked about in the last setting, getting that 6 to 8 hours of sleep. And so exercising, whether it's in the morning or at night, whichever one you prefer, exercising is just helping out those endorphins to help you sleep and getting the maximum sleep that you can get. Some examples of exercising: try going for a walk. We have a great walking trail here in Colby that comes behind the college over by the swimming pool and the park. So that's a great place to go. Also, you can try jogging the walking trail, or even try yoga. There are also a couple gyms in town, if that would help you do it in stationary versus doing it out in the cold. Make sure you have an outlet. You need a break most when you don't think you have time for one. So finding a hobby, reloving a hobby, making time for friends, making time for family. Don't overcompensate and only do the hobby and not study. You need to have a balance between a hobby or an outlet, studying, school, and having time for yourself. So just some examples of hobbies: playing some sports, painting, drawing, gardening, sewing, hanging out with friends and family could be an outlet for you. Something that you enjoy doing that's not school related. Build yourself a support system. Sometimes being away from home, leaving your family and friends behind, leaves you in a place where you're not sure where you belong. You're not sure what your support system is. Lean on your classmates. They know what you're going through. They're going through it with you. So always build that strong support system. Find friends who encourage, uplift, and listen to you without judgment. We always want to make sure we stay on the positive side of things. Making a plan, stick to it. The worst thing you can do is make a plan and not stick to it. Then life kind of gets crazy. So if you get organized and stay organized, your life will be a whole lot easier. Prioritize obligations each week and schedule time for studying, working, hanging out with family and friends, and time for yourself. So if you have your work schedule ahead of time, you know you can pencil in where to study at, and then make sure you're penciling in some free time also, whether that's time for yourself or time for friends and family, depending on what stage of life you're in. And then thinking positively. Your thoughts create your reality. And that's something that really sticks with me, that positive affirmations do yourself wonders. So whether you're writing on your bathroom mirror with a dry erase marker, you're writing sticky notes on, or you're writing on sticky notes and then putting those sticky notes on your bathroom mirror, somewhere where you're going to see it every day. Maybe it's in your car. Maybe it's in your bedroom. Maybe it's in your kitchen. But different things you can say to yourself. I am calm. I can handle this situation. This too shall pass. Just thinking positively will really help your stress levels go down. And then meditating. So meditating doesn't have to be sitting on the floor like the picture shows. Sometimes it's just sitting in a chair, sitting up tall, deep breathing for a few moments, bringing yourself back to reality, reminding yourself that you do have this and you've got this. letting go of all the stress and letting go of all the worries that you've had for the day. You could try guided meditation with a friend, or check out meditation videos on YouTube. Sometimes you can do guided meditation through YouTube, and it's a little bit easier than not wanting to tell a friend you're meditating. But if they're supportive friends, they should be supportive of that and of you trying something different. Aromatherapy is a great way to reduce your stress levels. And it also helps improve your physical and emotional well-being. Different examples of scents and oils that have been reported to lower stress levels: lavender, lemon, jasmine, and bergamot. They also help with anxiety. So if you suffer from anxiety and depression, those might be some ones for you. doTERRA also has an awesome balance that I really like, that helps kind of keep yourself in balance and help with those stress levels when things get overwhelming. Try journaling. Sometimes it can help you with daily stress. Sometimes it may just be something you need to get off your chest and there's no one there to listen to you. Write it down. And it's also been said that journaling may help strengthen your immune cells and decrease symptoms of asthma and arthritis. Something to think about. It hasn't been proven, but just been said. So give it a go. Find a journal or a notebook that no one else will get into. You can hide it under your mattress. You could put it in your bed, bedside table, any of those places. Leave it in your backpack. And when you're feeling your stress levels increase, you don't know where to turn, you don't know what to do, write it down. Getting it out really does help. And if none of those work for you and your stress gets too high, keep in mind that everybody needs help from time to time, especially if you're experiencing depression or anxiety, or you're just not feeling like yourself. Find someone to talk to. We have a ton of resources on campus, and in Colby both, that if you're not wanting to use campus resources, but if you're unable to enjoy sleep, or if you're unable to sleep or unable to enjoy life, if you're turning to alcohol or drugs to cope with stress, it's time to reach out for help. It's no longer just stress. It may be signs of anxiety and depression. So it's time to talk to somebody and get out what's bugging you or what's bothering you, what you're having problems with, and really reach out for help, asking for those people to help you. Some of the resources we have here on campus: Brooke Jones is our counselor, and you can reach her at 460-5439. Monique Eaton is our school nurse, and she can be reached at 460-5502. You can call our office, Student Support Services, 460-5510. You also have the Suicide Prevention Hotline, which you can call the 1-800 number, this number right here, or you can text 741-741 and tell them what's going on, and they'll text back and forth with you. If you're noticing substance abuse or a mental health problem, you can call the Substance Abuse Mental Health Hotline at 1-800-622-HELP, or we have options here on campus that you can call them also. So if you're needing help there, don't be ashamed to reach out. It's much easier to reach out and find your help than finding yourself backed into a corner that you may not know how to get out of. Are you needing any additional information on any of the topics I've covered thus far? Do you need help getting organized? Do you need help getting started journaling? Or just need someone to talk to? Feel free to contact me, and I will do my best to aid you in your search. My name is, again, Sarah Sloan. I'm the Educational Program Specialist in Student Support Services. My email, my extension, or you can always come see me. My door's open. I work 8 to 4. So if you need something, feel free to jump in and we'll see what we can help you do. Or Lisa, our director, is awesome. Or Jade, she's our transfer and articulation specialist. Either one of the girls can help you if you just need someone to talk to or talk through. We hope you have a fantastic year, and let us know if we can be any